Hi! In this video, we will discuss how to install and connect Keyboard Extension. The connection consists of two parts, a server app for Windows PC and a client app for Android smartphones. It does not matter which application you start installing first. Let's first download the server app for PC. Follow the link in the description below this video or go to our website keyboardextension.com and click on Downloads. There are two versions to choose from. An installer that will download updates automatically. You can download it directly or install it from the Microsoft Store. And a portable version that you will have to update yourself. We recommend using the installer version to be the first to receive the latest updates. Open the downloaded file. If Windows Defender displays a warning, check for the signature by Glysense. That's us, so go ahead and click Run anyway. Accept the user agreement, select the installation path, and start the installation. After that, open the app and you will see a QR code that leads to the Google Play page for installing the client version on Android. You can use this QR code or find the app in Google Play yourself. Our website also has an .apk version that you can download directly. Use any of the methods listed above to install the client version on your smartphone. When you launch the app for the first time, you will see a short demonstration. Watch it, and then you will be taken to the section for connecting to a PC. If you first installed the app on your smartphone, tap the Email me the link button to get the Windows installer. Since the PC version is already ready to use, let's move on to connecting. We have three ways to connect devices. Wi-Fi is quick and easy. Web server, secure and remote. Bluetooth, old school, but still works. Let's take a look at each of them. Wi-Fi connection. If your smartphone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, this is your best choice. It's fast, reliable, and drama-free. Select your computer from the list and tap Connect. When the connection is successful, you will see a green notification on your smartphone and an active icon in the Windows tray. If the connection does not work, check that both devices are on the same network. Now let's try connecting via web server. This is the ideal connection method if your smartphone and PC are connected to different networks. In this mode, your data is securely transmitted through an encrypted cloud channel. Right-click on the icon in the keyboard extension in the Windows tray, and then select Connect via Web Server. You will see a special code and a QR code. Use either of these methods. After a successful connection, you will see a green notification again. The last method is Bluetooth. It's a little slow, but it's great for quick wireless setup. Turn on Bluetooth on your PC, then on your smartphone. Select Bluetooth connection mode. Your PC will appear in the list of devices. Select it. Allow the devices to pair. After that, you should see a green notification again. To fully use Keyboard Extension, there is one last step. Register and log in. Without an account, you can use all the widgets, but you won't be able to create your own widgets and share them. Some plugins will also remain blocked. Right-click on the keyboard extension icon in the Windows tray and select Sign in and Register. Switch to the Registration tab. Come up with a username that is at least 5 characters long. Enter a password and specify the email address to which the registration confirmation code will be sent. You can also use this email address to reset your password if you forget it. Click Register. If all fields have been filled in correctly, this window will appear. Click OK, and in the next window, enter the code to complete the registration, which will be sent to the specified email address. You can also simply follow the link in the message you received to confirm your email address. Congratulations! Now you can take full advantage of all the features of Keyboard Extension. In the following videos, I will show you what our app can do. Good luck!